Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mabel. Welcome back to Mabel's Kitchen TV. Today I'll be showing you how to make this special recipe. It's turkey vegetable gravy. You can enjoy this gravy with pasta, you can enjoy it with rice, couscous, you can enjoy it with burger, you can enjoy it with a lot of things, and you can make it very watery and just enjoy it as soup. So keep watching, let me show you how I make this special gravy. Now for this recipe, I'm using turkey. You can change your choice of meat. You can use chicken or just vegetables. For my vegetables, I'll be using bell pepper, I'll be using sweet peppers, carrots, and some spring onions. While the meat is boiling, it's time to prepare the peppers and other vegetables. Once the turkey is ready, I'll just pop it into the oven and then I'll start making my vegetable gravy. For the thickener, I'm using a tablespoon of normal flour, that's wheat flour, and a teaspoon of corn flour. So other options for thickener, you can use Irish potato, boil it and make it into mashed potato. You can use it to thicken the gravy. Also, you can use soup thickener, already made soup thickener. You can use double cream, and sometimes when I make this recipe I use coconut cream for added flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to click on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos. I really appreciate your support. The red subscribe button is showing at the lower right hand corner. Please click on it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. It's your girl Mabel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.